Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Disney Plus subscription. So if you want to cancel your Disney Plus subscription, what you can do is you can simply go to the top right corner and you can go to my account. So in your account, you can simply scroll down. So to cancel the subscription, if you have the only Disney Plus plan, you're going to see to cancel your subscription option right here. But if you have a plan which includes Hulu and other networks, what you can do is you can simply go to your Hulu and then cancel your subscription from Hulu network. So if I had only Disney Plus subscription, I would have seen the option to cancel it from right here. So now I can go to my Hulu and cancel my subscription from there altogether. So I hope this was helpful and this answered the question. Thank you so much for watching.